Welcome to this introduction to neural networks and sequence prediction. Let's begin by understanding what a neural network is. In essence, a neural network tries to mimic the way our brain works, using simplified nodes called neurons that process and transmit signals. Each neuron receives multiple inputs, processes them through mathematical functions, and produces an output. These neurons are organized into layers, forming a network capable of learning complex relationships. The first layer, called the input layer, receives raw data, for example, a sequence of words. As data passes through hidden layers, the network learns to extract patterns and features using mathematical weights and activations. The final output layer delivers the network's prediction. Key concepts explained. But how does learning happen? The network is trained using data pairs, such as input sequences and their correct next word. After making a prediction, it calculates how far off it was using a loss function. The network then updates its weights in reverse, a process called backpropagation, to minimize future errors. Over many cycles, the loss decreases, and the network improves at making predictions. Some neural networks have a special structure called LSTM, or long short-term memory. LSTMs can remember information over longer sequences, making them especially useful for text and speech tasks. The LSTM network manages short-term and long-term memory using gates that determine what information to keep or discard with each step. Let's see the training process in action.